My name is Jasmin Kahriman. I'm coming from Germany. Working there, I'm taking care of the global training development, where we educate our partners how to use our product. So we as a company, we develop the product for the monitoring. And the thing that is important is not only monitoring of the traditional IT infrastructure, which includes servers, switches, router, but also IoT, data centers, e-health, and many more. What we want to do, we want to enable our partners and customers to understand our product from the Paessler perspective. We develop the training, and we train partners and customers how to do that. The thing that I want to mention now is that this week we did a first training about network visibility with PRTG and UV Explorer. We want to enable our partners at this time to understand how the layer 2 mapping, network configuration management, and monitoring can work together. And at the end of all the trainings that we are giving to our partners and customers, they can take certifications, and then they can be certified monitoring experts. And in this training portfolio, we have different training levels. We have a level for the beginners, if they want to understand the monitoring, how does it work. Then we have a level 2, which is for deep insight into PRTG, configuration, clustering, and different features. And the level 3 is about PRTG Enterprise Monitor for our enterprise customers. On top of that, we also give custom trainings for the specific topics. So we give a level 2 training. A level 2 training is installation and configuration PRTG, like adding groups, devices, sensors, creating maps in our map designer, and creating reporting. These are the fundamental knowledge that you need to have in order to build that, and then that's the journey. You play as you go. So we have different certifications. We have a sales professional. We have a PRTG monitoring expert. That's for the IT guys. And the next year, we will have also certification for our level 1 training, which is for beginners, and a level 3 training, which is for our enterprise customers. You get elevated, and that gives you more credibility on the market as well.